Stuck on reversing the gift-giving puzzle? Let's solve the presents problem from Codeforces step by step. Stick around to see it in action. Hey everyone, welcome to Problem Solving. I'm a software developer passionate about competitive programming, aiming to reach Codeforces' red rank. If that's your goal too, let's achieve it together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's dive into this problem. There are n friends, numbered from 1 to n. Each friend gives a gift to exactly one other friend. You are given an array P of size n, where Pi is the friend who received the gift from friend I. Your task is to output an array A of size n, where AJ is the friend who gave a gift to friend J. For example, input 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Explanation. For I equals 0, which means friend 1, P of 0 equals 2. So A of 1 will equal 1, and the array will be 0, 1, 0, 0. For I equal 1, which means friend 2, P of 1 equals 3, so A of 2 will equal 2, and the array will be 0, 1, 2, 0. For I equal 2, which means friend 3, P of 2 equals 4, so A of 3 will equal 3, and the array will be 0, 1, 2, 3. For I equal 3, which means friend 4, P of 3 equals 1, so A of 0 will equal 4, and the array will be 4, 1, 2, 3. Output 4, 1, 2, 3. Now let's write the code. First we'll read n and p. I'll convert p into a list of integers. Next, we'll create an array filled with zeros, sized n. To map the gift giving. I'll start with an index variable at 1, since friends are numbered from 1. We'll loop through the range n. For each I, we'll update A at the position Pi, 1, subtracting 1 to adjust for zero-based indexing. This assigns the giver's index to the correct position in A. After completing the loop, we'll print the result. I'll use a space as the separator in the print function to format the output properly. And that's how we solve the problem. And there you have it. We've successfully solved the presents problem step by step, turning a tricky puzzle into an easy solution. This is just one milestone in our journey to reach that coveted red rank on Codeforces. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more problem-solving videos. Let's keep pushing forward together. See you in the next one.